Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to have a walkthrough on the functionality of our Event Templates Google add-on. Just for a quick introduction, my name is Ejaz Driscoll. I'm a co-creator of this Event Templates Google add-on. I've added a photo on the right of this video of Marco Tsung, my other co-creator of this add-on. He's created a walkthrough video, a step-by-step video, and an entire blog in Mandarin and Cantonese. So if you are a native speaker, please go through and check those out. So getting started, we're just going to leave off where we were on the step-by-step in that you have successfully configured your Google Sheet to our add-on through the settings. So sheet ID here, sheet name here. Just going over it briefly, you can find that just in between here. This is your sheet ID. Your sheet name is just located at the bottom over there. You copy that, paste it in here, then click try to connect. As you can see, it has passed the 2 tests that we put in. And once it's passed, you just want to click confirm settings, go to the main page, and then we can get started. So the first feature that I'll outline is that you can create an event directly in our add-on. So you don't need to go through this tedious process of, that's outlined in Google Standard Calendar. So over here, put in the title. Just going to say, hopefully this goes well. Description, I'm sure it will. Location. So in the location, you can put a Zoom link, a Google Meets link. I'm just going to put UK over here. Start time, let's keep it on the 30th. Let's say this is going to start at, say, 6 p.m. 30th. Let's say 6:30. Sounds like a good time. And we're just going to click confirm create event. All right, you have a little pop-up saying the event has been successfully created, and we're just going to double check. Scroll down over here. You can see the event has been successfully created. So that's the first feature. Just want to go back to the main page. The second feature is creating templates. So you just want to click create template here. And then here we'll fill in template, Batman, description, Iron Man, can't go wrong over there, UK. And we're going to select, let's say June. Why not? And it's going to start at 1 a.m. And we're going to keep it on June. Let's say we're going to end at 6 a.m. So we're going to click confirm submit template. Will pop up saying the data has been written to the sheet. If we want to confirm that, we can just go over to our sheet, and as you can see, the parameters have been filled. Go back to your add-on, go back to this page, go back to the main page, and an important thing to do is refresh your drop-down menu just so that our add-on syncs with the Google Sheet. And as you can see, here's the template I have created. So walking us through the third feature, that is that you can take an event that someone else has already created and you can use that as a template for yourself for future use. So say they've done all the heavy lifting, you like the description, you like the title, you want to use it for the future and maybe change up a few things. And I'll show you how you can do that. So first thing we want to do, select the event you want to take. I'm going to take this one I've created here. Now we have some additional options. So transfer data to event, transfer data from event. So we want to take this event. As you can see, it does not exist in our templates. Hopefully this goes well. As you can see, it doesn't exist. And we're going to transfer this data from the event. As you can see, the parameters have been auto-filled. And now I want to do some editing, make it my own. I'm just going to put a number 2 over here, number 2 over there. We're going to keep everything the same. And we're going to say confirm submit template. As you can see, the pop-up says it's been written to my sheet. Just want to confirm that. As you can see, it has. I go back here and I refresh my drop-down menu. There's my template. So I want to click this, autofills everything. And I say, okay, now I want to change this event to my new template event that I've just selected. I just need to click transfer data to the event. And as you can see behind this card, it has been updated. So once I close this card and I open it up again, you can see it has the new template that I've just added. So that's the third feature that is in our add-on, which pretty much concludes the functionality of the add-on. Key things I want to note is that the sky's really the limit in terms of organization and categorization. So you can have multiple Google Sheets tied into the theme of your event. So say wedding events, birthday events, and then you just need to go into the settings and configure that new Google Sheet to our add-on, and then our add-on will work with the data that you have in that Google Sheet. Going through the options, we have a tutorial that takes you to our blog where you'll find this video and some other videos. Our privacy policy, the settings is where you configure your Google Sheet. The options looks at these different parameters over here. So say you want to just have the title and description. You don't want to deal with the location, the start time and the end time. You just configure that over here. And you just turn them off. So I'll be turning these off. Once those have been turned off, I click Exit Options. As you can see, it's removed those parameters. And now, when you click on an event and you want to take that data, it will only be taking the title and it'll only be taking the description. And vice versa when you're creating events and going through all the other functionality steps that I just walked us through. Another feature that we've just added recently is the language feature. So if I click on language, I'm a native English speaker, so I've set it to English, but say you are a native Cantonese speaker or a Mandarin speaker, you just select one of these options and it changes the entire add-on to that particular language. In the future, we'll be adding more languages, but this was just to really put an emphasis on accessibility. We really want this add-on to be used by everyone, for everyone, as we believe it's going to cut out a lot of services people pay for. So we're really excited about this add-on. I hope this video really helped you guys get to grips with using it. And keep an eye on the channel. We'll be releasing some more videos, maybe looking into how far you can go with categorization and organization on the Google Sheet side of things, color coding, etc. And I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching.